Thank you, thank you. Hey, y'all give it up for La Izquierda putting on this awesome concert series here to save the locals. Thank you all for coming out, making this this final one big shebang is what we're going for over here. To behold, if you choose to stay, there is no going back. We will take you on a journey through time and space, in and out of strange hidden parts of the mind, bringing you face to face with your own demon. So if you dare, we welcome you to jump on for the introduce the most famous band in every other dimension, except this one, the Sons of Nephilim! Maybe it's wishful thinking. Maybe if I keep from blinking, reality instead of fantasy is better. Maybe I'm just wishing, maybe it'll come to fruition. Maybe life's storms, even we can weather. Gone our separate ways, waiting for new faces to flock with these birds of a feather. If you wanna join, you're bound for the ride. You're bound for the ride. And now, if you wanna join, you're bound for the ride. Our sound is out of this world. We'll take you to another dimension. Did I mention the fact that you might not be intact upon return? We sound like the universe, like time and space, rewinding and bending. We're never ending, still raging, this world will burn. We'll take you to worlds unknown. We'll take your path away. And I gotta say, you better hold on tight. Might get left behind. We'll open your mind. If we don't kill you, then you'll be stronger. No longer have to succumb to the grind. Jump on for the ride! Thank you. We are the Sons of Nephilim, and we're here to melt your minds and blow your faces. Alex doesn't think that's right. Oh, that's right. I mean,
not sure that's how that goes.
Melt your faces and blow your minds? Is that right? Oh, thank you. What would I do without you, Alex?
Probably make a bunch of stupid clones and break the universe.
Well, whatever. My name is Average Joe. I'm your host this evening, and welcome to the Sons of Nephilim show. In a desperate attempt to escape the imminent alien invasion, Average Joe breaks into the mad scientist lab to steal his rocket ship. There, he finds the cloning technology that will change his fate forever.
Come on, guys, we gotta escape in the rocket.
But
Over
look,
there somewhere.
we found all this cloning technology. We can make a real band, Alex. We don't need these jokers.
No. Something bad's about to happen. Can't you hear the music? We gotta go.
Well, what about the clones? Well, I'm peeking through the crack in the door where the scientists like to store experimental toys, irritating noise, the drills that they use. Oh, because I'm placed here, ready to be touched by anyone who dares.
mist and the scientists. Me looking in on me. This town's not protective. Help me get my thoughts affected. All along, what was going on? Experiment. Find what was wrong. What's wrong? Won't you tell me, please? Well, maybe nothing's wrong. Maybe nothing's wrong. Well, nothing's wrong with me. 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 There ain't nothing wrong with me. Nothing wrong with you. 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 There ain't nothing wrong. There ain't nothing wrong. Well, Thank you, folks. We do have a couple of special things going on tonight. We have a live screen printing booth over here in the corner. Be sure to get your outer space octopus design. That's coming up shortly. Thank you all for coming out. Sure to treat each other the way you want to be treated. Actually, treat each other the way they want to be treated. That'd probably be better. As we escape the clutches of the mad scientist, we accidentally open a portal to the land of the dinosaurs. Finding an alternate reality where they survive the asteroid to become the most sentient beings on the planet. But they're still stuck in the dark ages. king of the dinosaurs. I'm the king of the carnivore. I'm the king when I'm tearing around, giving soul for sure. I'm the king of the dinosaurs. as king, I issue a decree. The princess must be kept in her tower. For her own safety, must protect her from the three evil Sagittarius witches. And their spells that they know so well. And as princess, I resist the king's decree. I don't want to be trapped in my tower. I want to live freely. I'm not afraid in the leash. Evil Sagittarius witches. And their spells, they can take straight to Yo, give it up for the man on the kit, the freaking kit. He's Kate Mount Troll from an alternate reality. Jake the Queen! If you're a dino, do the dino dance just like this. If you're a dino, do the dino dance. You're a dinosaur princess, do the dinosaur princess dance. It's the same dance. You're a dino, do the dino dance. If you're a dinosaur princess, you know it sucks to be known for your tiny humps and you're a princess. You're a dinosaur princess, sucks to be known for tiny humps and you're a princess. Take it away, guys. Dinosaur princess, known for your tiny arms when you're a princess. You're a princess. Yeah, you're a dinosaur princess. It sucks to be known for your tiny arms when you're a princess. Dinosaur princess. Thank you. That's right. Dinosaur princess. We must return to our home dimension to save the world from the ongoing zombie invasion.
Oh no, the aliens have infected the Earth with the zombie virus.
I think I may know a cure.
Wait, hold on, guys. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Put on the best show ever, rocking them out of their zombified state. Well, I'm a zombie. No, that's not just ketchup on me. No, 'cause I'm a real zombie. Thank you. All right, folks, we're getting ready to introduce you to the Outer Space Octopus. It is a tragic tale of love lost and found and lost again. Be sure to stop by the live screen printing booth from Coastal Dreams Printing over in the corner here. There's a one-time chance to get this unique, one-of-a-kind screen printing live in front of you. So go check it out. We also have our regular merch booth over here. Y'all support Live Scared, get some merch from them. Let's give it up for Robert Kuhn and Maddie and Jessica and everybody who puts this on every week. The choir did. This is amazing. We're so happy to be a part of it. And thank you. We are the Sons of Nephilim. Nothing's wrong with me, nothing's wrong with me. You wanna join? Jump out for the ride. Jump out for the ride. Jump out for the ride. If you wanna join, if you wanna join, if you wanna join, jump out for the ride.
Thank you. We are the sons of Nephilim. Good night.